Happy Friday, Brian Manning here with the weekly update. Let's get right to it. So, Monday this week, markets were closed in honor of Martin Luther King Day. So, no activity there. Tuesday this week, we got existing home sales. Of course, the media was all over this. On a month-over-month basis, existing home sales were down 6%. On a year-over-year basis, they were down 3%. So, what's incredible is that the media blows this stuff up, but you got to remember that December existing home sales is from house shoppers that were looking and going under contract in the month of October. Interest rates in the month of October are much higher than they were right now. And typically we're going to see going into the holiday season, one, a slowdown, two, higher rates probably put a little damper on the home buying process there as well. So before we freak out and have a meltdown about existing home sales, I say we wait until next month. Let's see what the report looks like, and then we'll talk about it then. Wednesday this week, we got Mortgage Banker Association. They give us information on purchase applications, refinance as well. We really just mostly focus on purchase transactions. So on a year-over-year basis, purchase transactions, purchase applications for new mortgages are up 13%. So really exciting to see. Probably, again, because mortgage rates are lower right now, and also looking to see home buyers that are getting themselves prepped to move into the spring home buying season. I don't know about you, but we're really expecting a really solid, really strong spring home buying season. So we're starting to see that now. Also, we got FHFA and housing appreciation. So the FHFA looks at homes across the country that have conventional mortgages on them. So this is not every home. This is only mortgages, homes with conventional mortgages attached to them. On a month-over-month basis, FHFA says a home's appreciated at 0.4%, which is great to see. On a year-over-year basis, homes appreciated at 5.8%. So really good to see strong appreciation still there as well. Thursday this week, unbelievable. We got unemployment claims. Unemployment claims for the first time in 50 years since 1969 at a sub 200,000 level. Unemployment claims right now at 199,000. We'll have to watch this, see what happens with unemployment, and see how that impacts hiring in the future, also wage pressure, inflation as well. So we'll keep an eye on that. I'm around all weekend. Took some time off, went on vacation, but now I come back. I work for 11 months straight, 7 days a week. You got any questions? Need buyers pre-approved? Mornings, evenings, weekends, doesn't matter. Call me, text me, whatever works for you. I'm always available. If you have any questions, reach out to me anytime. Have a great day.